Growing up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my hoe got talent, right?
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I wanted to do something a little bit different today. If you go and look back at my other videos, you'll notice that in my opinion, I'm kind of like a pretty boy. It's like a beautiful background, perfect, and that everything all the time goes well for me. Well, I kind of wanted to do a video where I'm real with you, like a dirty real talk about the law of attraction and how it's worked for me and kind of what I did that didn't work. And I want everyone to know that I make mistakes with the law of attraction, and I see a lot of videos where people, it's like they don't make mistakes. I do it all the time, and I'm going to make a video about how I use the law of attraction to get a girlfriend. And if you've seen my other videos, you'll know that I was single for 7 months, had a horrible breakup, and partly that was because I was using the law of attraction, in my opinion, subconsciously, to find a mate that was more in tune with me, more in harmony with me. And so, that's what happens. I did everything right with the law of attraction, and you could see me as like this test subject because I did attract a girlfriend. I went on 8 or 9 dates, and I'll do some videos on how to get dates. I went on 8 or 9 dates, and I stuck to my list of the qualities that I wanted. At night, I would pretend that I had these qualities, or that I met someone with these qualities, and I found him. I found this girl, and I knew, boom, right away, first date, this is the girl. I think she hit like 8 out of the 10 qualities that I wanted, but I mean, nobody's perfect, and it's not like I was looking for this perfect girl, but I wanted someone around those qualities. But this video is not about that. I'll do another video about that another time, but I just wanted to talk about the reality of the law of attraction in someone, a normal person. This is my office. You have my movies in the background, little Dragon Ball Z thing up there. Nothing fancy. I'm not a millionaire yet, but I will be. Because every day is, with the law of attraction, I get more and more successful, newer and better ideas come to me every day, and I'm hustling every day, and I have that mindset. But here are certain things that I mess up on. And that is, I look for negative things. And some people believe that the law of attraction is either mystical, divine, and another group of people believe that the law of attraction is just awareness. And I'm somewhere in the middle. I believe that it is a universal power, and I also believe that this power is manifested through awareness, more being having a higher sense of awareness around you and becoming more of an aware person. And I believe it's somewhere in the middle. So that's my take on the law of attraction, and it's been working amazingly for me. One of my goals was to make $100,000 this year, and I'm 26 years old, and I'm close, but I'm not hitting that 100 grand a year that I want with the amount of work that I do. And I took about 3 months of heavy manifesting, like heavy meditation, to do this 100 grand, and then I let go, which was hard to do. And I'm excited to say that I have found an opportunity that I can make this 100K, actually more than 100K. And this can be done with any industry. You just need to use the law of attraction properly. Now, here's some of the mistakes that I do. Sometimes I'm negative. Sometimes I wake up in a bad mood. Sometimes I drink the night before and wake up with a hangover, and then the whole day is like gray, right? And it's hard to keep up that high vibration. So a big mistake is I like to drink alcohol sometimes. I'm 26 years old. I like to have fun. The next day, now that I'm getting older, the hangover is killing me. So I've slowed down tremendously. But when I do drink, the next day is usually a bad manifesting day for me. And I don't take a step backwards, because I do realize that, hey, I'm in a low vibration. I'm going to pick it up, but I only pick it up to about a normal space. I don't take it to that high level that you need to be to attract faster. So that's one of my problems with the law of attraction that I do. Again, nobody's perfect. Sometimes I'm not happy with myself in the gym. I feel like I could be lifting more weights. I'm seeing other guys and I'm comparing myself to other people. That's another thing that I do that's bad. I compare myself to other people, and I don't like when they succeed and I'm not. Even though I am succeeding, I don't like it when other people succeed. It's a natural human thing. We appreciate that. We on the exterior, we're like, oh wow, congratulations, great job. But on the inside, you feel like you're filled with sand. And this is a problem I've had. I don't believe everyone has this problem, but for me, I'm very competitive, and so that's something I'm meditating on and working on. You know, showing appreciation and realizing that there's an abundance in the world, and yeah, there's an abundance in the world, and there's two parts. People believe that there's competition, then there's people that don't believe that there's competition, that there's abundance. I'm again in the middle. I'm the libertarian of these thoughts. So I believe there is competition, but that we can join in with this competition and make something. So I've actually paired up with a friend of mine who does the same thing that I do, and that is how I came across how to make this 100K, the possibility of making this 100K plus. And yeah, so there's two things: alcohol, and I can't even imagine people who do drugs. I'm sure they're happy for the moment, but they're probably, you know, either self-conscious about it, or they feel bad the next day that they did it, or maybe not. I'm not talking about marijuana. I'm talking about the more hardcore drugs. I honestly, personally, I don't smoke marijuana because I have terrible asthma. But for people who do, a lot of the big law of attraction people smoke marijuana, and to them it helps them. For me, it wouldn't. I just didn't grow up that way. But any drug that has a negative effect after it's done, the fun effect is done, that is going to put you back. Anything that makes you feel negative the next day or hours later, that's going to push you back. Also being lazy, that's another thing not lazy, procrastination. Procrastination has also been keeping me from manifesting the things that I want. And it's not really the procrastination, it's me realizing that I'm procrastinating and then putting myself into a negative mode. These are just a few things that I do to set me back on the law of attraction, because there are a lot that I do, because I am human and so are you, so you're probably making some of these mistakes as well. Sometimes I don't want to meditate, because sometimes I'm bored and I don't want to do it. I'd rather do something else. Another thing is sometimes I look for the bad qualities in people. I'm an ENFP, and the ENFP apparently is and if you want to do this test, look up Myers-Briggs. Right? It's so much fun. An ENFP is known for being one of the best, if not the best person at judging people, and not in a negative way, just being able to say a few words to them and get a general idea of the person you're talking to. For example, I was at P. Terry's yesterday with my girlfriend, and it was a midnight run, and we had a guy hand us the food at 12:30 at night, and he was like, hey, I hope you have a wonderful day. And I said, hey, or wonderful night, and I was like, hey, thanks a lot, man. He's like, you too, brother. And he shut the window, and I turned to my girlfriend. I was like, you know what? That guy has a good energy. That guy's going places. I can tell. She goes, really? What? And I was like, you couldn't tell? She goes, no, I couldn't tell. And I was like, I just felt it. Just boom. Sometimes I'm just exploded with this power. But anyway, having this ability, I actually look for the negative qualities. I was in a Half Price Books yesterday, and this person complimented my appearance, another male, and he said it in I want to say a sexual way, and I didn't take it well. I was in a bad mood, I was tired, and instantly I was negative about it when I could have been positive, appreciated it, and thanked him, and went on my way. So that's another negative thing I do. I look for the bad in people, and that's something I'm working on. Another thing I do is I don't appreciate a lot. I'm so in the mode of hustling to make money that I'm not enjoying the process, which is really hard for me to do sometimes. I'm not enjoying the process, which is the most important thing to do, because it also helps you let go. I'm also hustling so much that the success that I'm getting, I'm not appreciating it. So I'll hit a level, and it's like super exciting for a day, and then I'm like, boom, let's go. This is not good enough. Let's go. When I should step back and be like, wow, that's awesome. Thank God for it. Thank whatever you believe in. You know, thank the higher power. Hey, I really appreciate that I made this, and I look forward to more success. Success that I know I already have. I was born with. I have the divine right to have. So I know this video is getting long. I just wanted to make a video different from the other Law of Attraction videos. I wanted to show the dirty reality of the Law of Attraction. I want to do a real dirty talk, a real talk with you face to face, and without the spectacular background. My hair's messed up. I haven't shaved. This is me, a regular day to day, and I'm successful. I'm happy. I just found love. I have a wonderful pet. I've created a lot of content besides this. I just do this for fun and to give back to the community. So, yeah, this is the life of a person, a normal person using the law of attraction who's able to manifest great things into his or her life. It's just nobody's perfect and you're going to make these mistakes, and the thing is to be aware of it.